हरिः कर्ता।
So before we jump into the cross-tabulation, exploring the cross-tabulation with a real-world data set, let's also look into the benefits of cross-tabulation. As a statistical analysis method that allows categorical evaluation across a data set, cross-tabulation can help to uncover variables or multiple variables that affect a specific result or can aid in improving a specific outcome. With the examples above, you should now have a good idea of how to how cross-tabulation can be used in certain contexts to get the clean insights. But there are several other benefits to cross-tabulation. The first one here is error reduction. So error reduction, analyzing data sets can be confusing, let alone accurately pulling insights from them. So using cross-tabulation, you can make your data sets more manageable at scale. So what they do is they as they simplify them and divide them into representative subgroups. That's what our cross-tabulation will do. So it will divide our data set or big data set into representative subgroups. Here I meant I said big, that I mean it's not big data, it's a huge amount of or large number of columns or features. Okay, and the second one is more insights. Cross-tabulation looks at the relationships between one or more categorical variables to uncover more granular insights. So these insights might go unnoticed with standard approaches or require more work to reveal. And the third benefit is actionable information. As cross-tabulation simplifies data sets and allows you to quickly compare the relationships between them, you can uncover insights faster and apply new strategies as necessary. So these are the main benefits of cross-tabulation, but as a statistical analysis method, it can be applied to wide range of research areas and disciplines to help you get more from your data. So now it's time to jump into the exploration of cross-tabulation with the real-world data sets.